Imagine this, you're walking home late at night, the streets are deserted, and suddenly you feel like you're not alone. Sounds scary, right? But what if you had a powerful self-defense weapon that could instantly swing the odds in your favor? Check out the Gun VKS Pro. This isn't your grandma's pepper spray. The Gun VKS Pro takes self-defense to a whole new level. It's not just about the impressive range of this weapon, though let's be honest, 60 feet is nothing to brag about. But this bad boy offers a variety of payload options, from traditional pepper rounds to kinetic impact rounds that will leave a bad guy on the ground screaming for his mama. The Gun VKS Pro is incredibly user-friendly too. Its design mirrors that of a standard firearm, making it intuitive to use even under pressure. It's lightweight, durable, and most importantly, reliable. And let's not forget the intimidation factor. Nothing says back off quite like the VKS Pro. With the Gun VKS Pro, you're not just prepared, you're a walking deterrent. Next up we have the KnuckSlapp. With this, you'll be able to slap a bad guy so hard it will turn him into a good guy. Now, what makes the KnuckSlapp stand out from the crowd is its unique design. Compact and easy to carry, yet packing a powerful punch, this little tool could be a game changer. It's not just about the slap, it's about the knuck behind the slap. Imagine the power of a punch combined with the quick, stinging surprise of a slap. Convenience and power, all wrapped up in one neat package. The KnuckSlapp doesn't just offer an effective means of self-defense, it delivers a strong statement. Remember, with the KnuckSlapp, you're not just defending yourself, you're teaching lessons. If you're a tech enthusiast, you'll love our next gadget, the CA09 Coil Accelerator by NSSC. This isn't your grandfather's self-defense weapon. Far from it. With its unique design, the CA09 boasts a two-sided magazine, holding up to 25 projectiles on each side, ensuring you're always ready for action. Those home invaders won't stand a chance, trust me. The CA09 Coil Accelerator has a staggering rate of fire of 2,400 rounds per minute in fully automatic mode. This beast of a weapon is unmatched in its class. Its pinpoint accuracy ensures you hit your target every time, and its futuristic design is as intimidating as it is impressive. Science, power, precision, all wrapped up in an elegant package. With the CA09 Coil Accelerator, self-defense is not just practical, it's downright futuristic. Next in line is a classic with a twist, the Medford pocket knife. The Medford pocket knife takes the traditional concept of a pocket knife and catapults it into the 21st century. It's the ultimate blend of functionality and finesse. With its impressive durability, this knife is built to withstand the test of time. The blade? Razor sharp and ready for action, whether it's cutting through a stubborn package or fending off an unwanted adversary. And let's not forget the compact design. It slips effortlessly into your pocket, making it the perfect everyday carry. But the real cherry on top? The Medford pocket knife is as stylish as it is practical. With the Medford pocket knife, you're not just armed, you're stylishly armed. Our next item is perfect for seniors or anyone who needs a little support. Introducing the ZAP Stun Cane. This isn't just your average walking cane. The ZAP Stun Cane is a dual-function tool that offers sturdy support for your stride while packing a surprising punch for those unexpected situations. Imagine this, you're enjoying your evening stroll when suddenly a threat emerges. You're not worried though. You have your trusty ZAP Stun Cane. With a swift movement, your cane transforms into a powerful stun device, sending a clear message to any would-be assailant. It's the perfect blend of functionality and security, ensuring you're never caught off guard. With the ZAP Stun Cane, you're not just walking, you're walking with power. Next on our list is the Hero 2020 Pepperball Gun. This is not your average paintball gun. Now, let's delve into the features of this fascinating device. The Hero 2020 Pepperball Gun stands out with its impressive range. It can launch pepperballs over 150 feet, ensuring you're always at a safe distance. But it's not just about the range, it's equally about accuracy. This gun ensures you hit your target in one go, minimizing the risk of collateral damage. And here's the best part, it's non-lethal. The pepperballs burst on impact, releasing a cloud of potent pepper irritant, incapacitating your attacker without causing serious harm. With the Hero 2020 Pepperball Gun, you're not just ready for anything, you're ready to win. Our next gadget is as convenient as it is powerful. Meet the Yellow Jacket Stun Gun phone case. Picture this, a phone case that not only safeguards your device, but also doubles as a stun gun. Yes, you heard it right. It's a two-in-one package that merges technology and personal protection, transforming your phone into a potent self-defense weapon. The Yellow Jacket Stun Gun phone case is a powerhouse, boasting a stunning capability that can momentarily incapacitate a potential threat. It's the perfect blend of convenience and security designed to fit seamlessly into your daily life. So why choose between protection for your phone and protection for yourself when you can have both? With the Yellow Jacket Stun Gun phone case, you're not just carrying a phone, you're carrying peace of mind. Next, we have a weapon that's straight out of a spy movie, the Taurus Curve. Imagine a pistol that fits your body as naturally as a well-tailored suit. That's the magic of the Taurus Curve. Its innovative curved design is a game-changer, making it super easy to conceal. This bad boy is always ready for action, yet remains a secret to the world around you. With the Taurus Curve, you're not just protected, you're secretly protected. FYI, I just purchased one for myself and I love it. Our next self-defense weapon is compact, powerful, and utterly surprising. The Switch Gun 22 LR Single Action Folding Revolver. This little gem is not your average firearm. Its folding design makes it a master of disguise, fitting snugly in your pocket and ready for swift action when needed. Don't let the size fool you though. This revolver packs a punch with its 22 long rifle caliber. It delivers a powerful impact while maintaining its compact nature. And while it may be small, its single action mechanism ensures reliability and precision, making it a formidable tool in your self-defense arsenal. With the Switch Gun Folding Revolver, you're not just prepared, you're a surprise package. Last but not least, we have the VLAD EK Archery Crossbow. This isn't your average toy. Now, if you've ever fancied yourself as a modern-day Robin Hood, then this is the self-defense weapon for you. The VLAD EK Archery Crossbow boasts a range that would make even the Sheriff of Nottingham shudder. But it's not just about distance, it's about precision. Thanks to its state-of-the-art sighting system, this crossbow guarantees spot-on accuracy that would put a seasoned marksman to shame. And let's not forget about the ease of use. With an intuitive design and user-friendly interface, you'll be splitting arrows in no time. So forget about being defenseless. With the VLAD EK Archery Crossbow, you're not just defending yourself, you're a one-person army.